When you hear this music, what does it tell you? The instrument of the erhu is old, centuries old from the past. It represents humanity that has lived on for millennia after millennia from the beginning of time. But the music says so much more. The music is the voice of the new generation, Generation Z, who are our children growing up in a world that is fearful, uncertain, and they want to take control of their future. The voices crying out by the millions throughout the world represent the need to change. They want to be heard. They want to share their stories. They want their stories to make a difference. They want their stories to make a change, to make a better world for them, to bring some kind of surety in life in all the chaos that is surrounding us now. Imagine, through all the fog of war that's out there, and the fears and the indecisions of life, this silent, beautiful voice is crying out from the kids. Imagine if you gave them a platform to share their views, share their thoughts, share their stories. Just like this music, it creeps into the soul of everybody, whether you're a Generation X, millennial, baby boomer. It is a gentle reminder of the humanity that is missing now. Think about this. If every child in the world were to go online just to share their stories, how many of us will listen? How many of us will change? How many of us will remember to make this world a better place? Just for a moment in time, whether you're going to do a podcast or a live stream, just get your voice out there. Be heard. Tell the world your fears and your story. Let everybody listen to the millions of voices saying, remember us. Remember our future. Contribute to our future. Listen, help, and support.